While all other content creators are busy creating content using their cameras, there are some YouTube channels using content generated solely by using ChatGPT and some secret AIs. That is generating them over thousands of dollars every month by just working for 30 minutes a day. This is the fastest way to earn over $1,000 in 2024, where you can use AI-generated content to make thousands of dollars a month. Because AI-generated content easily trends nowadays, and those videos get a ton of views on YouTube and other social media platforms. For example, these are some of the YouTube short channels that are using the content generated completely by the AI, which helps them to get a lot of views in less time and grow their channel fast. And they sell their community posts for anywhere from $100 to $500 per post depending on their niche. Also, some YouTube channels are creating long-form content for their channel and generating over thousands of dollars every month from YouTube itself. And today, I will show you how you can also create content like this with just one click of a button and make money online the fastest way possible. So like this video, and let's start with the step number 1, which is to search for ChatGPT in the Google and select this link from the Google search results. It will take you to ChatGPT homepage, from where you can easily sign up to ChatGPT and log into your account. Once you log into your ChatGPT 4 account, for creating AI-generated videos like this, the first thing you need to do is to click where it says Explore GPTs. It will then take you to this CustomGPT store page, from where you can select many different GPTs and use them for different purposes. But for the purpose of this video, I want you to search for Video AI by invideo in the search bar and select this GPT from there. It will take you to a new tab, where you can see that you can now create videos directly from within ChatGPT using Video AI by invideo. All you need to do is type in the idea for your video, and Video AI will generate a ready-to-publish video for you with an engaging script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even a human-sounding voiceover. Not just that, but you can also edit and make tweaks to your video with simple text commands like change the voiceover, change the script, the footage, and much more. But before we create a video, the step number 2 is to select the niche for our YouTube channel. You can choose any niche you are interested in, but there are some of the niches that perform best with AI-generated content. One such niche is the Facts channel niche, where you can share facts related to Earth, facts about space, people, related to machines, and much more. The scope of this niche is very broad, and you will never feel out of ideas in this niche. Most of the AI-generated content in this niche usually goes viral on social media platforms like YouTube. The only drawback of this niche is that you don't get much amount per community post you sell on your YouTube channel. You can charge anywhere from $30 to $150 per community post you sell on the Facts channel. The other best niche for AI-generated content is the personal finance niche. Everyone wants to save their income in different interest-generating opportunities, and everyone wants to earn some extra money. And for this, the personal finance niche is the best. And in this niche, you will get paid a good amount per community post, where you can charge anywhere between $100 to $500 per community post you sell depending on your subscribers and view count. And for the purpose of this video, we will be choosing the personal finance niche. So the step number 3 is to come back to the ChatGPT Video AI by invideo. And by the way, you can use the first link in the description of this video to come over to this ChatGPT Video AI page. Once you log into your ChatGPT 4 account, now you need to give a prompt to ChatGPT related to the video you want to create. The more detailed the prompt, the better the results will be. So for our personal finance niche, you can go with a simple prompt like this. Create a 3-minute YouTube video about the differences between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset, and how switching over to a growth mindset can make you very successful in all walks of life. Include vivid and creative examples to illustrate your points. Be funny and casual. You can add as many details as you want to get the best desired results. After that, just press enter, and the ChatGPT will start doing the research on the topic using the Video AI. And it will ask your permission to talk to the invideo AI official website for the purpose of creating this video. You just need to click confirm from there, and the ChatGPT will contact the invideo AI to create the video. And in just 10 seconds, the ChatGPT will provide it with the title of your video and the link for video. Using this, you can watch the video generated by ChatGPT and Video AI by invideo. So once you click on the video link, it will take you to the invideo AI homepage, where you need to log into your account to access the video. So if you don't have an account on invideo already, you can create one for completely free by filling in your email address in this box and clicking on Create Account. Once you log into your invideo account, you need to click on the video link again, and it will now take you to your invideo AI dashboard, which will look something like this. Here, the invideo AI will research more data related to the video, analyze the data, give a perfect title to the video, generate the script for the video, create the scenes of the video, add media to the scenes, and in just 3 to 5 minutes, your video will be ready, which you can watch by clicking on this play icon. As you can see, our video is ready, so let's listen to this right now.
Have you ever pondered the power of your own mind and how it can shape your life? Fascinating, isn't it? Imagine two people standing at the edge of a forest, each with a map leading to a hidden treasure.
So, as you can see, it has generated a marvelous script. For the video, the voiceover is just amazing. And if you can hear, there is a nice background music that aligns with our video theme. It has even added some text throughout the video. Not only that, if you scroll through the video, you can see that it has used so many different premium clips from premium websites like iStock and Storyblocks, which is really awesome. And don't worry about the watermarks in the video. You can remove the watermarks while exporting the video. And if you think that this is already impressive, just wait till you see what else it can do. So the next thing is to edit this video if you don't like something, or if you just want to add something to the video or remove something from it. So there are 3 ways you can go about editing this. The first way to edit this is having the invideo themselves regenerate the complete video for you. You can do this by clicking on this regenerate icon over here, and the invideo will provide you with the second and new version of the video. The second way to edit your videos is by doing it manually. To do this, you want to click on this edit button under the video. The pop-up window will open up, and it will give you 2 options: to edit the media or to edit the script. Starting with the edit media, you can see all the different media in video used to generate the video. And as you can see, whenever you click on a particular media, it highlights the part of the script for which the media was used. So for example, if we don't want this first clip in the video, you can either click upload and upload something from your computer device, or you can search different stock footage from over 8 million stock footage available on invideo. So whatever you want for the video, you can search that into the search bar, and on stock option, you can select all and hit enter. Then it will search for the images and the videos, and it will show you all the different stock footage related to your search term. Then you can just simply select any of the media from here, and it will be replaced from that scene. All you need to do is hit apply changes, and then the AI will start changing the media. Now the video is ready, and if we hit play again, as you can see, it has replaced the first scene with the clip that we selected. And now, if you want to manually edit the script, you can click edit script over here. And here we can see the entire script, and we can change any part of the script, or the whole script if we want to. Also, you can add a whole new chapter by clicking on these 3 dots and selecting either the add chapter before or add chapter after option from there. Once you have made changes, just click on apply changes, and the invideo AI will apply the changes to your video. Now the third way to edit the video is by just typing in this box what you need to be changed, edited, or replaced in the video. You can ask it to add a new intro to the video, you can ask it to change the pace of the video, change the background music, increase the volume of the background music, change the voiceover, and much more. You can tell this AI to pretty much make any changes to the video, and it will apply the exact same changes to the video. So for example, if I ask it to add the English subtitles throughout the video and press generate, the invideo AI will take a few seconds, and it will present you with the video with subtitles in it. So as you can see, now it has added subtitles to the video. I am going to put a picture of some of the prompts that might be helpful for you, but you can pretty much ask it do anything for you in the video, and it will do the same. One more important thing is that you need a ChatGPT 4 subscription to access the CustomGPT store and create videos with ChatGPT Video AI by invideo. Also, invideo AI has an app that is available on iOS that has the exact same interface, and you can use the same steps to create videos on the go. You can access the videos you create on the web and the app. I will leave a link in the description of this video, and you can access the Video AI GPT from the GPT store by using that link. Now, once you are satisfied with the video, the step number 4 is to export the video. So just click on where it says export and select export video from there. Then you want to select the resolution of your video. Just make sure you have 1080p selected. Now if you want, you can export the video with iStock and Storyblocks watermark on it. But if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, you should upgrade to a paid plan which starts at as low as $20 per month. This is the ideal plan for the type of videos we want to create with invideo AI. And once you download the video, you can upload the same to your YouTube channel, and then just rinse and repeat. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.